The Roland E4 voice tweaker is a really fun device that enables you to play with real-time pitch correction, harmonies, looping, unique scatter effects, and reverb to manipulate the sound in lots of different ways. In this short video, I'm going to outline some of the main features that you can play around with. The first one is auto pitch, and the auto pitch button allows you to automatically correct your vocal pitch. The harmony button lets you experiment with and add rich harmonies to your instrument. The vocoder adds a synthesized effect to your voice or instrument and allows you to blend your voice with a synthesizer to create a really cool synth-like effect. The looper section, which you can see here, enables you to loop and layer your vocals. Here we have the pitch and formant sliders, and these sliders allow you to change the pitch of your voice up and down, and also the tone of your voice with the formant slider. The scatter function provides tempo synced effects for incoming and looped vocals. And finally, the reverb slider can be used to add reverb to your voice and can be changed to add other cool effects like chorus, echo, and delay. All of these effects can be really fun to play around with and experiment, changing the sound of your instrument or voice.